After opening an account in Atomy Japan, if you have not purchased anything within a year, your account will be deactivated. You can once again open a new account in Atomy Japan, but the position you have right now will not remain the same. Atomy Japan has given one symbol, telephone mark symbol, within your account to recognize that this account is going to be deactivated sooner. First of all, log into your ID in Atomy Japan and go to My Office, go to the organizational tree. In the organizational tree, any ID which contains this telephone mark will be deactivated within a week. So this symbol is to phone a friend whose ID contains this telephone mark and ask him to purchase anything from the Atomy shopping mall. In the Atomy shopping mall, even if you buy the cheapest product like this wet tissue which is 280 yen, even if you buy the cheapest product, one thing, your ID remains active for another year. So let us check how many IDs. So in my tree, if you say this ID, Yojana Naresh, has a telephone mark, within a week it will be deactivated. This ID, Jade Pallavi, this also contains an telephone mark. Within a week, it will be deactivated. So, Srinivas Reddy, Sohan Singh, Arifullah, Hajdu Balaz, all this ID contains this telephone marks, and within a week, if nothing is been purchased from their ID, all these ID will be deactivated and turns into this red ID, means which has been deactivated. So ask your friend to buy at least the cheapest product from Atomy Japan and keep their ID active. Thank you so much. So in the Atomy mobile application also you can find out which IDs are to be deactivated. Log into your own account and go to My Office, and below here you have My Office. Next is Lineage. Go to the Lineage. The lineage will take you to the organizational tree, and the ID's color which has converted into orange color means within a week it will be deactivated. So you can explore up your organizational tree and can find out which IDs are converted into orange. So these are the 4 orange IDs. Sooner it's going to be deactivated: Srinivas Reddy, Sohan Singh, Arifullah, Balaj. So again you can keep exploring. Okay, here is one more account which turns into orange, Jade Pallavi. Within a week it will be deactivated if nothing being purchased. Again you can keep exploring. This is also one more account, Yojana Naresh. If nothing been done within a week, it will be converted into red, which means it is deactivated. So phone up your friend and ask him to purchase even the cheapest product available in Atomy Japan so that the ID remains active. Thank you.